Hello students, how are you today? Well, today we're going to continue with our practice using WH questions, okay? Hoy vamos a continuar nuestra práctica con WH preguntas. So here we're going to start with Patty's International Restaurant. And we're going to make some questions. Vamos a hacer algunas preguntas que podemos utilizar en el diario vivir, okay? So here you have keywords, you have a review, keywords, okay? Tenemos nuestras palabras clave. Okay. La pregunta número 1, what kind of? What kind of? ¿Qué clase de? What kind of? When, ¿cuándo? Ya habíamos visto, ya habíamos repasado esto, pero lo vamos a volver a repasar nuevamente. Here you have why not, ¿por qué no? Why not? Because, ¿por qué? Ese es cuando damos una respuesta también. Because, ¿por qué tal? Okay. Then we have conversation. Aquí tenemos una conversación que podemos aplicar el diario vivir. Russian. Este es una palabra que ya vimos que tiene que ver con nacionalidad. Russian, ruso. Veamos esta conversación. What kind of food do you like? I like Russian food. When do you go to Patty's restaurant? I don't go there. Why not? Because Patty doesn't cook Russian food. Okay. ¿Qué clase de comida te gusta? Me gusta la comida rusa. ¿Cuándo vas al restaurante de Patty? No voy ahí. ¿Por qué no? Porque Patty no cocina comida rusa. Okay, there you have a conversation. Then you have another. Vamos a repasar un poquito las nacionalidades. Ethiopian. Here you have, what kind of food do you like? I like Ethiopian food. When do you go to Patty's restaurant? I don't go there. Why not? Because Patty doesn't cook Ethiopian food. Ok, la misma conversación, solo que le cambiamos la nacionalidad. Hemos ido practicando, podemos utilizar en nuestro diario vivir. Bueno, cómo memorizarlas, practicarlas y trabajarlas. Remember, practice, practice, practice. Thai. So you could say Thai food. What kind of food do you like? I like Thai food. When do you go to Patty's restaurant? I don't go there. Why not? Because Patty doesn't cook Thai food. Okay? Cambiamos la nacionalidad. Thai. Then you have Vietnamese. What kind of food do you like? I like Vietnamese food. When do you go to Patty's restaurant? I don't go there. Why not? Because Patty doesn't cook Vietnamese food. And the last one, French. We're going to say that the same conversation, but we're going to change the keyword. What kind of food do you like? I like French food. When do you go to Patty's restaurant? I don't go there. Why not? Because Patty doesn't cook French food. Okay, there you have a conversation using nationalities, and also you have a lot of words you know, and the WH. What kind of? Okay, it's good to practice. Thank you very much.